Welcome to Real World AIP. Today I'm going to be making purple sweet potato toast. These are easy to find at a Whole Foods. It's a purple sweet potato. It is not a boniato. It is not a Japanese sweet potato. It's purple on the inside. This is Frida's brand organic purple sweet potato, and I got these at Whole Foods. So to make our purple sweet potato toast, we just need to get these peeled first of all. So I'm going to get started on that. Okay, all peeled up. Now we're just gonna roughly chop these so that they fit into the Ninja. And I'm gonna put them just like they are into the Ninja. I want to point out that you want to grind these up really good, like make them like almost into like a puree. So here's what I ended up with. It's just very finely ground purple sweet potato with a hint of salt. I'm going to take our square pan. I'm going to use medium chain triglyceride oil. Basically, it's liquid coconut oil because it's easier to spread around in the pan. All right, 2 pounds of purple sweet potato. You want to pack that down really, really firmly. This is key to making the toast. So it kind of looks like that on the side. See, nice and uniform and packed down. So stick this in the toaster oven. I have it going at 450 degrees. I'm going to check it in a half an hour. I'll let you know in the end how long it actually took to cook. So this was in the toaster oven at 450 for 20 minutes. Then I checked it and the top looked a little toasty, so I covered it loosely with foil and went for another 20 minutes. So a total of 40 minutes at 450. I'm also not going to cut into this or do anything with it until tomorrow. I'm going to put this in the fridge and I'm going to let it cool overnight. Alright, these have been in the fridge overnight. This thickens as it cools, it solidifies, and then you can easily cut it, it stays together, and then we're going to cut that in half to make the toast. We're going to cut this right down the middle, like so. This is very similar to our Yaotia bread, except it's a whole lot easier to find purple sweet potatoes. And this holds together nicely. Now, all you have to do is toast this. You stick it in your toaster oven, toast it up. You can make yourself some avocado toast. You could make a sandwich with it. Anything you do with the Yaotia bread, this is going to have a little bit more of a moist mouthfeel. It's not dry and crumbly like the Yaotia, but it makes really good toast. So here's my purple sweet potato toast. I made avocado toast with it. Now this isn't super crispy like toast. Like it'll break apart, but it's gonna hold together when I bite into it. What you could do if you wanted to make it really like toasty or even like crackery is stick this, now that it's cooked, stick it in the dehydrator for a few hours. That'll remove some of the moisture, and then this would be even more like toast or a cracker.